Hi guys, Lobster here. This is the Puppy desktop, and I've added a new wallpaper. Now you'll notice nothing to do with what I'm going to talk about, but look at that penguin. See, he's got a pet fish, which I thought was quite unusual because I like to keep fish as pets occasionally, just in case I get hungry, you know. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about is the devx, which is for developers. Puppy has an add-on which is used by our compilers and developers to compile C++, and it also has the Glade interface and a few other things for programmers. Now, what I would tend to do is open the browser, go here to Barry's page. That's the puppy with the newspaper here. Okay, I'm in that's the wrong one. I always get the wrong one. Right, read this. It's this one. It's not the one with the news. That's the news. This is the one. Read the leading edge developer news. It's this one here. Okay, and this will take us to Barry's blog. If we click on Puppy Linux blog, and now luckily Barry has just released, we've got Puppy 4.3 release candidate, so if you went to that link there, you would see that here we have the devx 431 SFS. Okay, that's just coincidental, but if we went, let's get rid of that. If now, so we're back in the blog. If that wasn't there, I would sort of scroll through, or I would look here on the latest entries and find the latest release of Puppy that was reasonably stable. All right, so previous to that was the release candidate 1, or the release candidate soon, or whatever. But I would look for the latest Puppy. So let's look at the previous one here, and if it's been released, no, it hasn't been released. What you want is the location where Barry has uploaded the file that you need. Let's have a look at the bug fixes 4.1. Oh, see, it's too much like hard work, isn't it? I'm going back to this page here, Puppy 431 RC2. You need to find the link where the devx are. Okay, and once we've downloaded that file, okay, we save it. So I'm not going to do it, but if we right-clicked on that and save link target as. Okay, once we've done that, my devx's are kept here because I run from CD in Mount Home, and you'll see there's two here, but this is the one. We've got this devx 431.sf. all right, and I put it in the Mount Home directory. And then if I go to menu and there it is, under system and boot manager configure boot up. Okay, and then click on load SFS because it's a squash file. Okay, there's a bit of information here. Okay, and you will see I can add. I click on the devx 431 SFS. I've got I'm using an earlier one, so what I could do is well, let's just do that. I'll remove the old one, remove, and I'll add the new one, add. Okay, and then I click on OK, and now I'll quit on that. And now if I go to menu and reboot computer, I need to reboot to get the flash files to work. I will then have the development file in Puppy, and it will mean I will have things like, for example, the Glade, here we are, the Glade interface designer, and what's the other one I will have? Oh, and the other one I will have is, of course, a important one is I will have a C++ from the console, from the terminal. I can compile programs. Okay, so that's quite useful. Anyway, that's how you get started with compiling programs in Puppy. So that's all for me for now. At the moment I'm waiting for a download of the release candidate 2. And just look at that fish. Okay, bye from me now. Bye now.